Hi everybody. In fact, I am going to present a few facts about engineering asset management at HydroQuebec. Next slide, please. And to introduce HydroQuebec in few numbers, it is one of largest electrical power utilities in North America, with numbers of presented here, almost 20,000 employees. And the total value of assets is almost 77 or 78 billion dollars. So what is the challenge here is that our generation capacity units are far in the north, and the main consumption centers are in the south. So it is more than 1,000 kilometers, and the transmission lines go through to very harsh climate conditions. So there are a lot of engineering and scientific challenges to keep all that system working. So we are also connected not only with Canadian customers, but Northeast USA, which is our good customer. The next slide, please. So what is the context? It is HydroQuebec is the part of our critical national infrastructures. And the challenge is that our assets are aging or become obsolete. So it is particularly true for IT and communication assets. So it requires large replacement and refurbishment. On top of that, we are facing also a growing complexity in our operational and business environment. New technologies, pandemics, climate change, extreme weather, market evolution, and so on and so on. And in this, the complexity and deep uncertainties in this context are to be managed. So, and that organization remains economically viable. In this regard, the organization considers that asset management is an efficient approach, offers an efficient framework for strong scientific and technical basis for rigorous decision making. It is combined with risk and resilience management. So many speakers before, several speakers before me mentioned that also. HydroQuebec is not certified ISO 55001, but it is ongoing discussion, but follows prescriptions in the concept as far as possible. What is also important is that HydroQuebec considers that research, development, and innovation are quite important in this regard. And since 2019, HydroQuebec and the NSERC, which is a federal research agency, have supported a university research chair in asset management at the University in Quebec in Trois-Rivières. So our experience is that the strength of our HydroQuebec's asset management, it is basically managed at the level of its main throughout the three divisions, is in multidisciplinary holistic approach, collaboration, and long-term vision. HydroQuebec divisions at all levels of organization. It means top, bottom up. HydroQuebec Research Institute, universities, collaboration with industry peers, participation at various conferences, regulatory and standardization body, and also with associations like International Society of Engineering Asset Management, International Asset Management Institute of Asset Management, SIGRE, IEEE, IEC, and so on. So our experience and approach might be of interest for other organizations. Next slide, please. Based on our experience, we see some challenges in efficiently applying asset management. How to integrate new technologies, materials, scientific knowledge, artificial intelligence, and so on and so on. Smart things, align the functions of an organization, engineering and non-engineering, improving our methods and tools for life cycle cost modeling and decision-making support, diagnostic and prognostic, data acquisition and treatment, and developing new modeling and optimization methods able to grasp the complex operational and business environment and taking into account deep uncertainties. It is also a challenge to understand, model, and characterize impact of climate change on asset management, on asset management, cybersecurity, and many speakers have mentioned the importance of human factors and organizational factors. It is also our view that we have to better understand and model the impact of human and organizational performance, because people are key to succeed to break the system.